to pray for all arms of the county and national government, and to also find ways to make our nation better. You can support various development programs by ensuring that congregations understand what the government is doing and the opportunities that they can take advantage of. Allow me to highlight a few areas in which I feel the church can work together with the government in support of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda better for the good of our nation and its people. Women are the biggest drivers of the small and medium enterprise sector, and access to funds is critical to enabling women to start and grow businesses. Women's economic empowerment is a topic close to my heart, and I aspire to see every woman given the skills, information, and opportunity to transform themselves, their families, and their communities through income-generating activities. The President increased the Women Enterprise Fund by 3 times to Kenya shillings 13.5 billion. Further, the application process was simplified digitally through *254# and M-Pesa. The Hustler Fund is also another fund that they can tap into. Let us encourage the women in our churches and communities to come together, form groups, and identify income-generating projects that can be funded through these available funds by the government. The government is currently digitizing services and payments to simplify the process of accessing services. The churches and organizations present here can dedicate a room that can be used to train the community on how to access these services. The Affordable Housing Program has an annual target of 200,000 houses to resolve the housing crisis and create approximately 1 million jobs. The President launched the Nyeri Blue Valley Affordable Housing Project on February 16 this year. Let us encourage our members to participate by registering on www.bomayangu.go.ke and start saving towards their own home ownership. Closely connected to affordable housing is technical and vocational training, aimed at giving our young people skills and competences for nation building. Let us look out for enrollment opportunities at the various TVETs we have in the country. The government has made it possible for every young person, irrespective of their KCSE grade, to get trained. And I think our Member of Parliament for Nyeri Town has told us this just now when he spoke about an open day on Friday about TVETs and how young people can go to get these opportunities. Lastly, let us support the President's landscape and ecosystem restoration strategy, which aims to plant and grow 15 billion trees by 2032. I have personally committed to plant and grow 500 million trees. This vision by the President presents an opportunity to economically grow certified seedlings that will be supplied to communities.